Hello everybody, welcome to Old Studio, and today we'll be making a travel destination promotion web UI. So, I have an image from Unsplash, just gonna put it on the canvas. Fit it on the canvas. There we are. Make this smaller. There. Then I'll make a square over it. Take the border away and change the color to black. Okay. Change the color to black and change the transparency down. There we are. Just 70. 65. Okay. Then, okay. Then we'll select on the text tool and we'll type as a name for our UI design. We'll change the font to BBAS. We'll change the color to white. Zoom in down. Oopsie. Change this to red. See how that looks. There we are. Also make it look bigger. Maybe 80. Okay, just drag it up here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Zoom. Just type again. Type. Okay. Take up to the top. 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Then we'll zoom in over here. We'll just select on the pen tool, make a line. We'll copy and paste, bring the line down, copy and paste and do it third time. Select on all three of the lines. We'll just make the size thicker. We'll make the color white. We'll just make them smaller. Make this one smaller than that. This one just going down like that. We'll just align them, group them, make it smaller. Just take that down. Okay. See? And then we'll just line it. Select on this. Shift. This. Okay. Just zoom in. Then just gonna put some boxes here with some pictures inside them. So all three. Shift. There we are. And paste and drag it to the side of this. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And all have space they need. Okay, select on them all, group them, and line them into the middle, and ungroup them back. Let's get some images.